Okay, so we are looking at a Kubota L48 uh, TL1150 model, and this is just one of your regular tractors. It has a excavator module in front, but today I'm going to show you how do you start up a tractor if you are on a farm and you've absolutely nothing else to drive. So driving a tractor is actually very easy. So in this tractor, you get off from the left hand side because there's a control switch on the right hand side. You can also get in from the right hand side, but so this is, you have your clutch on your left and you have your brakes on your right, and then you have an accelerator pedal and a reverse pedal. Tractors are really single speed devices, so there is no gear shifting in a tractor. So again, so to start up a tractor, then you have your controls. You have the various speed controls, which is your high speed, neutral, medium and low. And then you have your engine speed control. This will be the same as in a lawnmower. So you have the tortoise for the slow speed and the hare for the high speed. And then you have the key that turns on the tractor. So this is right now on stop. So let's turn up the tractor. And after I turn the ignition switch, I need to press the clutch pedal fully. So we depress the clutch pedal fully. And then over here is a switch, and you need to press the switch. And that's it, your tractor has started. Now you can let go of the clutch and you need to release the parking brake. So this is the parking brake. In my case it was already released. If it is engaged, you just press the brake. Then based on the speed you want, if you change the speed here, you would realize your engine revolution increases to give you more speed. And then that's about it. I'm going to press the accelerator pedal. Brakes are off. And that's it. That's how the tractor runs. Now, I'm also going to show you how the controls for the front loader work. So if you want to lift it up, you need to push it down. You see the diagram there? Lift it up, you need to push it down. So you push it down and you realize it goes up. And then if you want to angle it up, you move it like this and you realize it goes down. And let's now push it back down. And let's take it forward. Accelerate. Now if you want to change gear, you depress the clutch pedal fully, and then you move your gear down to neutral. Nothing will happen. You can move it down to medium or low. I keep it on high because I'm on level ground. But if you are climbing up the hill, depress the clutch pedal fully before I shift it to medium, and let's go. Let's get the clutch pedal down. move it in high gear. Tractors have very tight turning radiuses. And then when you're done riding your tractor, you put on the brakes, pull this lever up, release the brake. Now it's in brake mode, and you just turn it off. You want to be sure that it's in the lowest speed possible to put less stress on the engine, and just turn it off. And that is how you ride a tractor. Now I'll just walk you around the tractor once so that you get a sense. This is a Kubota TL1150 SG, made in Gainesville, Georgia, even though Kubota is actually a Japanese company. Kubota makes diesel vehicles, and we will be looking at the buggy in a while. And that's about it. So that's the video for today. How to ride a tractor if you've never driven a tractor before.